Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your WooCommerce shop currency in using WordPress. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we will be needing simply to go to our WooCommerce settings, and basically we will be needing to change the currency from there. So we can simply go to WooCommerce. We can go to settings, and basically that's it. And after that we need to go to the general settings. So here the first one would be general, and of course you will have many other tabs of settings. So you can have the regular one or the default ones, or you can have some additional ones that are added by other plugins. And now we have the store address, and here is the currency option. So from here, you will need just to choose the currency option that you would like. For example, USD or the dollar, or you can have euro or whatever you like. So for example, you can have like this. You can choose on how the currency is positioned. You can have the thousand separator as a point, or uh, you have decimal separator as comma, the number of decimals, etc. So you can change whatever you like in your currency, and in how it is displayed depends on whatever you like. And basically you will need just to start changing from here. And basically there is a large list of currencies that you can start using from here, and you can have it choose one, and basically you will need at the end to save changes. And basically, you might also have some other plugins that would allow you to have, for example, maybe multiple currencies that would allow you to have a multi-currency uh, store, for example, depends on the country of the clients, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.